They walk into systems where people have predetermined what the outcome will be, and you just sit there and sign on the dotted line. And so as a special educator, I began to recognize, wow, right? People think this is just about learning how to read and write, but the law and the implementation of law and policy is showing up a lot in my schools. This is the 1990s in New York City. And so this is the age of hyper-policing. This is the age of the explosion of the carceral state. This is the age of 3 strikes laws. This is when people are calling out children super predators. So this environment means that there is a lot of harm besetting our community. And so I wanted our kids to understand stop and frisk. I wanted them to understand search and seizure. I wanted to understand their due process rights so that even if they couldn't really change the outcome, they would at least have the knowledge to be able to advocate for themselves. In statutes as early as 1740, you have the intersection of our freedoms, of literacy, right, of our right to exist, all connected to criminal justice. So I want you to think about a society that uses education in these ways as a way to deculturalize, as a way to strip people of identity, right? The law is a very powerful tool. The job, I believe, of us in this space is to use the law as a sword and a shield. The law is not synonymous with justice, and at times, and sometimes too often, the law has been in service of oppression.